Leah Blesoff from Brown Harris Stevens, and today I'm so excited to show you this beautiful apartment at 360 Riverside Drive, apartment 4B. This beautiful apartment has direct river views from every window, and you can watch amazing sunsets every night and enjoy cooking in your gourmet kitchen. Let's take a tour. Direct park and river views are the icing on the cake to this gorgeous, sun-drenched, 3-bedroom home with 2 full baths. Spanning south to west, the entire apartment has been renovated to perfection, maintaining integrity to its pre-war lineage, but with a thoroughly current flair. The kitchen has been updated with white cabinetry and stainless steel appliances, including Bosch dishwasher, Miele gas stovetop, and GE monogram refrigerator and oven. The windowed bathrooms are beautifully updated and include radiant heated floors. The apartment also has a king-size washer and vented dryer, gorgeous hardwood floors, beautiful built-ins with impeccable millwork, and California closets throughout. Located in the Rutherford, a lovely pre-war cooperative with charming lobby, live-in super, keyed elevator, video intercom, central laundry, storage units, and bike storage. A stone's throw from Riverside Park with excellent restaurants and all that the Upper West Side has to offer. I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you have any questions or would like to visit this property in person, please email or call me. I'd be happy to show you around.